Emily, a Stop and Shop registered dietitian.
We're Dave and Steve from The Happy Pair.
We're identical twins from Ireland, all about encouraging you to eat more veg, to be healthier and happier.
And this is
At the Table!
All right, so today's challenge is all about time. So I am challenging you both to make a meal in under 15 minutes. Are you up for the challenge?
Yes!
All right.
Of course, what are we gonna make?
I think, you know that chickpea curry that we did in 5 minutes? I reckon like it could take most people 15 minutes. So either way, it's a quick dinner, probably quicker than if you order takeout.
Folks, this is it. We're gonna make you the most delicious chickpea curry. It's quick, it's simple, it's delicious, and it's quicker than ordering takeout. So to start our chickpea curry, we've got one bunch of scallions, also known as spring onions. I'm gonna finely slice these into nice little rounds. So as soon as you've chopped your scallions, we're gonna add them into the pan.
In terms of chili, obviously if you're cooking for children and they don't like spice, leave it out. And if you do like loads of spice, put loads in. That's the beautiful thing about cooking. You can cook it to your own palate. So in goes our ginger.
We're gonna next add in our cherry tomatoes. And these are gonna make up part of the sauce. And they're also gonna add a nice bit of color, which is great, because we all do eat with our eyes. And we're gonna add our chickpeas next. But we need a, do you have a tin opener?
No.
I've got you both covered.
Oh, Emily, you are darling. Thank you so
Emily
much.
to the rescue, you're welcome.
Great.
Now, there's often a misconception that plant-based eating is expensive or time-consuming, but it looks like we're using a lot of really great pantry staples here, like the chickpeas, which are gonna add in fiber, some plant-based protein, and they're super simple to work with.
They really are. Yeah, I love chickpeas. And also one of the base ingredients for hummus. Very inexpensive and great for bulking out a meal.
Very versatile, I agree.
Yeah. Okay, and we're gonna add our garlic. We've got 2 cloves of garlic. We're gonna simply add them. Okay, I'm just gonna add our drain and rinse chickpeas into the pan.
So Emily, I reckon we'll have this ready in about 3 minutes.
All right, I'll be back in a few.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Woo.
Okay, in terms of the sauce, we've got 1 can of chopped tomatoes. That's one 14.5-ounce can. And we've got 1 can of coconut milk.
So one of the keys in terms of seasoning a dish is to think of the 5 basic flavors, which are salt, sweet, bitter, acidic, and umami. And the more you can hit each of those notes, the more you're gonna have a more complex, round and balanced mouthfeel and taste.
If you can balance these 5 basic flavor profiles, your dish will be more symphonic.
Ooh, nice.
Good word, innit?
Okay, in terms of, what do you reckon in terms of serving this dish? What do you like to serve this with? Because we really want to impress Emily here.
We'd serve this with a lovely par-cooked whole grain brown rice. Okay, and we're gonna serve this with just a little bit of our pickled onion, which is delicious. Okay, and finally our little bit of almond, just to add that variety of texture, and I think we are ready for Emily. Emily, here is your fork of truth.
All right, I am so excited to taste this. It smells delicious in here. That's amazing. And you can really taste all those flavors you mentioned earlier. We have that sweet, that savory, that umami, that salty. It just all comes together so nicely. This dish was fast, delicious, and budget friendly, so I would say you've made this mission possible.
Woohoo!